Here are 5 things you didn't know about the assassination that started World War I. First, Archduke Franz Ferdinand should have been safe that day. The first assassin threw a bomb at his car, but it bounced right off the roof and exploded behind him. Ferdinand was actually driving to visit the wounded officer from that failed attack when fate struck again. Second, the man who killed him was just eating a sandwich. Gavrilo Princip was sitting in a cafe, probably thinking the mission had failed completely. Then Ferdinand's driver took a wrong turn and stopped directly in front of him. Third, Ferdinand died trying to save his pregnant wife. The bullet went through his neck, but his last words were asking if she was okay. Fourth, Austria-Hungary had been waiting for exactly this excuse to attack Serbia. They used one teenager's actions to justify declaring war. Fifth, that sandwich break triggered a chain reaction that killed 40 million people in the Great War. One wrong turn changed everything.